Right, today we're going to be changing the spark plugs on the Polo GTI with the new ones I got from the last one. First of all, you want to take the core packs out, but first by removing the wiring harness attached to each core pack. Do that by pushing back on the clip, wiggling them up. Once you've done that, you want to take the core packs out and keep them in order of where they came out. You don't want to mix them up. Right, once the first core packs are out, you'll see that you just have to get them now straight down to the spark plug. And what a lot of people do is they get the tool, put it down, crack the spark plug off and just bring it out. But what you've got to do is you've got to make sure there's nothing down either of the holes. Just check down the holes to make sure there's no shrapnel either side of the spark plug itself. Because what can happen is, if there's stuff down the holes, when you take the spark plug out, it's going to go straight into the cylinder. Then you're going to put the new spark plug in, and then whatever was in the cylinder is going to just smash the shite out of the engine. Something you really don't want to happen. Now we know there's nothing in the actual spark plug holes except for the spark plug, we can start cracking them out with a spark plug tool, an extension bar, and a breaker bar. And with spark plugs is, you can't just yank on the end of the bar, or you'll snap the spark plug itself. So you've got to hold this, the actual knuckle itself. Just put a little bit of pressure on the palm of your hand and pull towards you, because it's right hand thread, so it has to undo left. And that is one spark plug out. Now we've got one spark plug out, just repeat the process for the next 3 cylinders or however many cylinders you've got. This is a comprehensive guide, so whether you've got 12 cylinders or 16 or 4 or 3, it's the same sort of principle for all of them. So once you've got one out, repeat the same process for the next 3. Remember to keep pressure on the spark plug knuckle, on the actual knuckle itself of the breaker bar, otherwise you'll just yank it. You'll tear the ceramic off the top of the spark plug, and then you just have a bolt to try and catch onto. Now for all 4 spark plugs are out, you get the brand new ones, making sure you don't drop nothing down the holes, because now the cylinder is exposed, so anything can just drop straight down, and if you get something in there you've got to fish it out. You can't start the engine with things stuck in the cylinder itself, or you're going to do damage to your car. Once again, get the spark plug, remove the little protective cap, along those pliers if you have them. Just slowly insert the spark plug. And fit them is a lot like taking them out. You just screw them in instead of taking them out. When threading them, use your hand so you can feel them catch the thread properly. If they cross thread, the head's got to come off again, it's got to go to the machine shop. Start feeling it tighten up. Once it does that, put your breaker bar back on. Give them a little time. Like that. Now, we use torque spark plugs up as well. It's normally about 20 nanometers, but these ones say quarter turn and half a turn, which is exactly what I just did, more or less. Following 3 cylinders. Once the spark plugs are in, just now have to replace your core packs in the order you took them out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. And number 1 goes to number 1, number 2 with 2, number 3 with 3, number 4 with 4. you want to make sure all of the core packs are down securely and they're down all the way so that they've got contact with the spark plug so you get no misfires. You also want to make sure that the actual wire and loom clips themselves are on securely and they're clicked so that they don't when you're going down the road. That's how you change spark plugs. Thanks for watching. If you like this, then like the video. If you disliked it, then dislike it. Subscribe because that always helps. Plenty more stuff coming on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.